I am M.S. Prasad Bhatt, Chairman and Managing Director of Global Entity India Trade Center, which is set up in Bucharest, Romania, in European Union. India Trade Center is registered as public-private partnership in India, of which I am a managing partner. Our project is supported by Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of External Affairs and Government of India, and promoting international trade. We are an authority of trade, being established by the apex body of export promotion councils, that is the Federation of Indian Export Organizations. And we are registered with an aim to promote trade, to get better per unit value to the goods of manufacturers and produce of farmers, and give them market access across the globe. This is required to empower farmers. Actually, our farmers have been producing the best products in the world, but the value, the unit value is not as much as required, because our farmers are not getting the international price for their products. This is the reason our Honorable former President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam and Dr. Manmohan Singh foresaw a possibility of getting more value to their produce. That is why India Trade Center is registered. Our aims and visions. We have the aim of empowering each and every individual Indian. As you all know, the first resolution passed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru states, first task of this assembly is to free India through a new constitution, to feed the starving people, to clothe the naked masses, and to give every Indian fullest opportunity to develop himself according to his capacity. To fulfill this aim and objective of framing Constitution of India, the India Trade Center is registered and functioning as an apex body of trade and an authority of trade. Our aim is to implement aims and objectives of framing Constitution of India. The first resolution passed before independence states, first task of this assembly is to free India through new constitution, to feed the starving people, to clothe the naked masses, and to give every Indian fullest opportunity to develop himself according to his capacity. So these are all the aims which drive us actually. Our trade is a tool to earn income so that this aim is met. The food is delivered, all the fundamental needs are delivered. With this aim, our Honorable President APJ Abdul Kalam and Honorable Manmohan Singh ji started India Trade Center, and we are implementing Grama Swarajya to promote farming, to protect nature and channel the energy of youth in constructive action of agriculture and afforestation. We are establishing global village trade centers. In Indian language, it is Grama Swarajya Vanijya Kendra. These Vanijya Kendras are required to include fundamental need of each and every citizen in the value chain of trade and deliver, establishing helpline and engaging helping hands of members of NGOs. By that, we can remove all the hunger from the Indian continent. Hunger is totally removed, and all the fundamental needs are delivered also. So India will grow and every Indian will be empowered. That is the main aim. Meanwhile, we are working to develop these trade centers with the leadership of women for women's empowerment, so that women will do all the inside jobs and men will go for Grama Swarajya, that is engaging in agriculture, afforestation or related activities. We are in a membership drive, that is we are inviting people to join India Trade Center and enrolling them as members. The benefit for an individual for being member is that he can be guaranteed a income for the performance of fundamental duty. We ensure that he earns the income for the constructive action of nation building, promoting peace and protecting planet. And first, as a first step, we are taking over loans and liabilities resulted due to denial of value to the work of women, workers, farmers, and entrepreneurs. Under the loan takeover, once they join as a member, we can take over in association with the member of the ward or say MLA, MP, whoever it is in a jurisdiction. It is a partnership wherein elected member is also a partner with us, and we take over the loans based on the actual cost he incurred and market price he got based on all the criteria under which we are functioning. Apart from that, our members will get opportunity to perform fundamental duty and earn just value to their performance. By engaging in actions that will lead to implementing directive principles of state policy to fulfill the constitutional obligations of each and every individual. Apart from that, we are tying up with NGOs at the village ward level. NGOs are our private partners, and members of trade also our private partners, and elected members and members of executive are our public partners. What we do, we establish helping hands and helpline so that each and every disabled child aged are delivered their needs, fundamental needs basically, in association with the NGOs. Apart from that, we take over loans of NGOs also because they become bankrupted due to performance of fundamental duty due to denial of value only. So we take over their loans also. And we invite members of trade to join us as a members. Trade is having huge benefits by joining with us. First being a member of our public-private partnership, if at all they are due to market fluctuations, they lose in the market, we take over those loans which are resulted due to disparity in procurement price and sale price. Apart from that, we promote their products internationally, we do the market survey, we fix up established trade centers abroad, we display their products, we establish warehouses, and we virtually and actually we develop direct access to the consumers, develop a system under which they will access overseas consumers and get the maximum retail price. This is the added advantage to the trade members. And we are also organizing funding for their day-to-day operations, long-term, short-term, all term finances. And we get them incentives from the government as well as various bodies, even the carbon credits from international agencies also. This is one of the objectives. Please visit our website indiatradecenter.org and enroll yourself as members. Please contact me at 98840-55054 or mobile number WhatsApp. I am pleased to introduce our CEO Karnataka, Mr. Satish BN. And also I am pleased to introduce Director India Trade Center, Mr. Vaidyanathan.